everybody, it is I, the Alpha Indominus, and today I'm going to be changing the sounds of the dinosaurs, a few of the dinosaurs, from Jurassic Park and Jurassic World. And I know you might have said, I thought you said you were going to change the dinosaur designs or something like that. Well, that's because I forgot to put sounds at the end of that option. Well, anyway, let's just get into the video. Starting off with the T-Rex, well, I'm gonna be using a hippopotamus for the main roar, and now let's move on to the next animal we're gonna be using to change the T-Rex's sound from Jurassic Park. I'll be using the bear. I'll just put it underneath the hippopotamus sound, the hippopotamus roar, or whatever you can call it. And I'll also add in a few crocodile growls and sound effects of the crocodile. And here you go. Here's the end result. I hope you liked what I did. Now, next up is the Spinosaurus.
It was me!
I'm going to use the crocodile sound effects like before. A few lion roars and a few tigers. I'll also be using the baryonyx from Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom as well. Not too much of it, but a little bit of it. Once again, tiger sound effects, and maybe a few bear sound effects. Plus, I'll even use the Suchomimus from Jurassic World Chaos Theory. Here is the before and after. Now, it is time for the Velociraptor. I'll be using the cassowary. And the kiwi bird, I think that's the name of it. I think that's the name of the bird, kiwi bird. Plus, I will be using my own voice. I wonder how that goes. I can't speak. And I hope you enjoy it. Now it is time for the final dinosaur from the Jurassic franchise, the Indominus Rex. So, I'm probably gonna use the bear, lion, tiger. My dogs are barking right now. What? Crocodiles, alligators. Maybe a few other dinosaurs from fiction, like maybe Sharptooth from The Land Before Time. I might even use Gorosaurus, maybe the V-Rex, and hippo. The hippo will return as well. I might even use a bison. And maybe a cassowary. Yeah, maybe a cassowary and a shoebill stork. And I might even use the Dominion Giga.
Pull us together, man.
Well, I hope y'all had a very great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Alpha Dominus, out.
Do ba 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 do boo do a boo ba do boo boo ba do.